Hey guys, this is Steven with Peaceful Warriors Wellness Center, and today is your Wellness Wednesday. So I wanted to go over some things for not only the Tampa Bay area, but whoever's watching, share with friends, family. We're getting a nice following and we appreciate that. Just sharing more healing so we can move better, feel better, and be better. And today is a nice stretch for the low back. Now, of course, keep in mind, check with your healthcare provider that you're safe to do this exercise. And so without further ado, just a nice low back stretch in an office chair, which is part of our series, the office chair stretches. So I'll give you two of them. You can pull your knee to your chest, some nice breathing. Sit up tall, planting that opposite foot on the ground, just pushing down, lengthening the spine. Now make sure you're not doing this. No turtle shell, okay? Let that turtle head come out of its shell. And then just pull in. And just hold for 10-15 seconds. 3 sets on each side. So alternating. Now the other one would be just a little bit of a forward lean. So you hinge forward with just your hips. I like to square them and then hinge forward. You can feel a nice stretch in the low back. Now don't worry if you don't go that low. Even if you're here, you might feel it. And that's fine. Less is more, just like I always say. So that's your Wellness Wednesday. And we'll see you soon. See you at the Wellness Center.